Now let's take a look at the Kuva app. Here's the home page. On the left you'll see a list of all installed cameras. Select one of these cameras to take a closer look. On the left you'll see the network connection status, whether the camera is set to scan, and whether the illuminator is in use. In the middle you'll find the most recent alarms, a daily summary, the most recent images from the RGB camera, and the Preferences tab. At the top of the Preferences tab, you'll be able to toggle scanning on and off. The same with the illuminator, and you'll be able to set a scan schedule. Below you can change the name of the device to match the site and location of the camera. Inserting the GPS coordinates will enable the device to show up on all of the maps. The time zone of the device can be selected here. This is important to have correct for creating accurate alarm notifications. Now let's set a scan schedule. First, enable the schedule switch. Now you can select an on and off scanning time. Clicking the on time, you can select the proper time for on scan on the clock. These values are in UTC, but the local time will be displayed below. Be sure to save any changes and wait for the save confirmation. Now let's take a look at the field of view selection. In order to make any changes to the fields of view, scanning must first be switched off. When deploying the camera to a new site, capture a new 360 panorama here. Taking a new image will capture a new 360. Now multiple fields of view can be added and dragged to the desired location for continuous monitoring. This box displays the center of the image as well as the borders. Be sure to select the check mark to confirm the new field of view. Now that we have the 3 fields of view selected, we can display a preview of the image by tapping on the icon. Take New Image will display the preview. Again, be sure to save any changes before switching scanning back on. Now it's time to toggle scanning back. Scanning is back on. Now the camera will do the rest of the work.